pan po ito hong interpretation po ng ilang mga legal luminaries at expert sa batas. Dito ho sa ginawa po ng Senado po mga kabida, sitting as an impeachment court, kung saan po ay niremand po nila ito hong articles of impeachment dyan po sa House of Representatives. Karamihan po sa mga legal experts nagsasabi na mali daw ang ginawa po ng Senate, lumabag daw sila sa saligang batas, sa provision po ng saligang batas po natin, Pero I was amazed, mga kabida, dito ho sa inilabas po na opinion, ni dating Supreme Court Associate Justice Adolph Ascuna. Si Justice Ascuna po ay isa sa mga framers po mga kabida ng ating saligang batas, ito hong 1987 Constitution. At siya po ang author, okay, mga kabida, nitong impeachment provisions dyan po sa ating saligang batas. Okay? Ang sabi po niya, ang ginawa ho daw ng Senado sitting as an impeachment court, nung niremand po nila ito hong articles of impeachment sa House, talagang unique daw. Okay? Unique daw yun. Pero, ito maganda po ito. Pero, allowable. Ibig sabihin, within the bounds of the 1987 Constitution, hindi ho lumabas mga kabida. Ito po. Babasahin ko lang po, itong balita mula sa Newswatch Plus Philippines. Yung kanila pong panayam po, kay Justice Ascuna, mga kabida. Ito yung kanila pong headline. Remanding impeachment articles unique but allowable constitutional framer. Yun yung sabi po ni Justice Ascuna, Ito, babasahin ko po, mga kabida. Former Supreme Court Associate Justice Adolph Ascuna, a member of the 1986 Constitutional Convention and principal author of the Charter's impeachment provisions, described the Senate decision to remand the impeachment articles against Vice President Sara Duterte to the House of Representatives as unique but allowable. Ayun. In an interview with the newsmakers on Newswatch Plus, Ascuna said that while the Constitution mandates the Senate to try and decide all impeachment cases once the articles are transmitted, it does not explicitly prohibit procedural actions that facilitate continuity across Congress transitions. Ayun. So, silent dito ang ating saligang batas. Pagdating ho mga kabida, sa procedural actions ng Senate. Okay? Ito, tuloy ho tayo. Sabi po ni Ascuna ho dito. It's something that has never happened before. But that's because we've never had an impeachment caught between two Congresses. The remand is a procedural innovation, not a dismissal, to ensure a smooth crossover from the 19th to the 20th Congress, Ascuna said. The Senate, sitting as an impeachment court, voted 18-5 to return the articles of impeachment to the House on Tuesday, June 10. The motion of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano sought a certification from the House that only one impeachment complaint was filed this year against the Vice President in accordance with the one-year bar rule, and the House remains willing to prosecute the case in the new Congress. Ayun. Critics said the move delayed justice and undermine the Senate duty to act. However, Ascuna said, ito yung rebuttal po ni Ascuna, the court has already acquired jurisdiction and that the remand simply ensures legal and procedural consistency across legislative terms. Okay? Ang sabi ni Ascuna, jurisdiction has already been attached. The case is not dismissed. It's still alive. The referral is to ensure that some complaint continues. It is a procedural breach, not a constitutional breach, said Ascuna. So meaning, wala hong paglabag. Hindi po ito constitutional breach po mga kabida. Kundi it's a procedural breach. Tandaan po natin, ang impeachment, mga kabida, ay isa pong unique na proceeding. Okay? Meaning, kakaiba po yan. Wala hong katulad, mga kabida. Okay? Sui generis, ang tawag po dyan, mga kabida. So, kung ang impeachment proceeding ay sui generis, unique, ang ibig sabihin po, ang impeachment court na magta-try sa impeachment po mga kabida ay sui generis din, Okay? Unique din. Wala hong pwedeng mangialam po na kahit na korte, kahit po ito hong Korte Suprema, hindi ho pwedeng mag-intervene dito mga kabida unless kung meron pong question of rules. Okay? Mga kabida. Alright? So, yun yung opinion po ni Ascuna. Taliwas po doon ho sa opinion po ng mga kritiko. Lalong-lalo na, ito hong sinasabi po nilang legal experts kuno. Okay? Legal luminaries kuno, mga kabida. Okay? Dami hong bumatikos po sa Senate Kasi daw, lumabag daw sa saligang batas, mga kabida, Okay? Hindi daw sinunod ang saligang batas. Pero hindi ho nila naintindihan yung point po ng Senate kung bakit po nila ginawa yun. Hindi ibig sabihin po na gusto ho nilang pigilan ang impeachment trial. Kasi kung yun yung kanila pong kagustuhan po mga kabida, right from the very beginning, patay na sana yung impeachment case po ni VP Sara ngayon. Wala buhay na buhay Okay? Wala hong dismissal na nangyari. Sa halip, niremand lang po ng Senado o ng impeachment court doon po sa point of origin, which is the House of Representatives, mga kabida. So po ako dito sa sinabi po ni Justice Ascuna, mga kabida. Wala hong pwedeng question dito ho sa action po ng Senado, sitting as impeachment court. Kasi sabi nga unique sila Di ba? Unique sila. Meaning, pag unique, may mga bagay na hindi po usual na mangyayari po sa mga ordinary at regular courts, Okay? Kasi unique kakaiba Ito hong pag-remand po ng impeachment court ng articles of impeachment doon po sa House ay isa pong unique action po yan. Okay? Wala hong pwedeng question dyan mga kabida. Alright? Kahit na Korte Suprema, hindi ho pwedeng pakialaman yan. Kasi sole judge, okay, ang Senate bilang impeachment court. At halos lahat po nagkaisa ho sila na mali ang ginawa po ng Senado bilang impeachment court. Lumabag po sila sa saligang batas, mga kabida. Pero hindi ho nila alam yung point po ng Senate. Kasi ho, ang mga kritiko kasi mga kabida, ang nasa isip po nila, talagang ipupurso talaga ito hong impeachment trial Di ba? Kumbaga, blinded na po sila doon ho sa reasoning, doon sa reasoning po na ang ginawa po ng impeachment court mga kabida ay iwasan lang po yung posibleng constitutional crisis na mangyayari. Alright? Tama yung sinabi po ni Justice Ascuna. Gusto lang po ng Senado na magkaroon po ng smooth continuity mga kabida. ng proceedings from the 19th Congress to the 20th Congress, ano? Eto, patuloy po tayo, ano? He also clarified that remanding the articles was not a decision under the Constitution's try and decide clause, and therefore not equivalent to dismissing the case. He also rejected claims that the Senate overstepped its authority by asking the House to reattest its willingness to prosecute. Rather, he said, the move was a formality to prevent legal ambiguity. Yun yung sinabi ko po kanina eh. Gusto kong iwasan po ng impeachment court yung constitutional crisis, ano? Baka magkaroon po ng clash between the impeachment court and the Supreme Court, ano, mga kabida. As what happened if the House declined to return the articles, as Kuna said, it would raise serious constitutional concerns, ano? Ito yung sinabi po ni Ascuna. They have already adopted the articles. Their role now is to prosecute. Failing to do so may be seen as abandoning the duty under the accountability mechanisms of the Constitution. Ascuna also pointed to a key provision he himself added to the 1987 Constitution, Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 10, which grants Congress the power to adopt its rules for implementing impeachment procedures. Ano? That section empowers the Senate to create mechanisms, even novel ones like this, to ensure the process works. Ayon. Ascuna added that the 19th Congress had substantially fulfilled its duty by constituting the impeachment court and paving the way for the 20th Congress to take over. Ayan. So yan po mga kabida. Ito hong si Ascuna, considered na po itong legal luminary po ngayon. Parang equivalent po itong mga kabida ngayon ni dating luminary, legal luminary na si Father Joaquin Bernas, ano? Ng Ateneo de Manila University po mga kabida. No? So yun po. Sana po naintindihan po ninyo mga kabida. Ito hong paliwanag po ni former Supreme Court Associate Justice Adolf Ascuna patungkol ho dito sa very controversial ho na pag-remand po ng impeachment court ng articles of impeachment po mga kabida, no? Diyan po sa Kamara de Representantes. Okay? Para po sa inyong komento at opinion, pananaw, please comment down. Sa mga hindi pa po subscribers sa akin channel, please subscribe. Just click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, click all para updated pa kayo mga kabida sa aking mga uploads. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.